how to split or trim a video on TikTok Editing Studio. So if you want to split or trim a video on TikTok Editing Studio, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. And after adding your video, you need to just go with the edit option, which is on the top right. Once you tap on edit, you will have this kind of interface. Now if you want to split or trim a video, then in order to split, you need to first select the video. After that, here on the bottom left, you will have split option. So tap on split and it will split. Or if you want to trim, then if you want to remove the split part, you can select the video part that you have split or that you don't want, and then go with delete, which is on the bottom. And now if you want to trim, then you can select the corner part of that video and then drag it to the right in order to trim a video. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.